Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm doing another unboxing of more storage for drills for diamond painting. So yeah, I don't know if you could tell, but I am a tiny bit obsessed with storage. I really like kitting up, so I've spent pretty much, yeah, I have way too much storage. So my disclaimer is this is it. This is it. There's just no reason for me to buy more. So there are actually two different storage cases in here. I don't actually have any of these currently. So that's was my crazy reasoning is these are the bottle storage, which remarkably I don't have any of. So let's do this one first since it's on top. Well, considering that there was no bubble wrap around this and it was just inside that just plastic, it does look like it still survived. So yeah, here it is. I got the purple one. So yeah, I got the different one. These are the ones with the what do you call that? The not see-through lid, because they are supposedly bigger than the other ones. And I figured if I'm gonna buy the bottle storage, I want the bigger one. So yeah, these are this is the 60 thing. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, so there's 60 bottles in here. Like I said, I don't actually have the bottles for diamond painting. So yeah, these, yeah, it just looks like bottles. The opening actually looks relatively big, so I'm happy with that. These are just plastic. I kind of want to throw them and see if they'll survive, but yeah, so then there are 60. They're in a foam insert. It seems like you can do, if I take this out, yeah, no, it's pretty well in there. So if I take this out, I'm not going to be concerned about it falling through. Yeah, I got so yeah, there it is. I don't think this came with like any funnels or anything, or extra things, but I just wanted to try out the bottle cases, and I figured if I'm going to try it out, I'm going to get the 60. So this one, how much? So this one cost, okay, so this one, when I bought it, it cost $20.90. I had a $1 off coupon, so it would have been $19.90, but then I had to pay tax. So this cost me $21.69. So I thought that was a relatively good price for, these are not the ordinary ones. They are the ones with the silver or gold cap, which I heard is bigger than the normal ones. So now I just have to find a project to kit up with these because, yeah, no. So now I have to go through, now, I'm probably gonna kit up something with these soon. I don't know if it'll show up on YouTube yet, because I don't show my kitting up videos until I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be able to finish it in a sooner rather than later. But yeah, these are this. So I also got from the same store another storage container, which is bottles, which I also don't have. So, oop, I see something broken. So something is broken. Hopefully it's not a bottle. Hopefully that's just like the funnel or something that... Okay, so something broke. Yeah, it's the funnel. So I lost my funnel, but I don't care. I wasn't planning to use it. So yeah, that wasn't that good. This one actually comes with some labels, although, yeah, they didn't survive. Like, I lost, here's some that I lost here, and then there's 3 I lost there, but it looks like there's 2 here and 2 there. So yeah, my lost ones are in there somehow, but you know what? I have 50 million labels, so I'm not worried about that. So I got the bottle system also for this one because I don't have any, but instead I got So these, I think, are the normal bottles that you normally see in these cases, and it's not broken. So yeah, these ones really are much bigger. It looks like it'll hold way more. So, and is the opening the same size? I wonder, are they interchangeable? If I wanted to, no, this won't close. Yeah, nope. So yeah, the ones with the silver caps, which could also get in gold, are actually much bigger. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, they're much bigger. And they seem more like bottles than these ones. But yeah, they are. In case you wanted to, in case you ever, if you have the bottle system and you're like, these things are too small, these do look much bigger. And you could probably fill it up all the way to that top there and still have it close. So yeah, I'm glad I got the two. I figured if I was going to get the bottle system, I'm going to get two different kinds and get the ones with the different bottles. So this one should have 60 also. Yeah. 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And the one bad thing is they aren't like, there's nothing like, there's no dividers. Although if I take out some of the stuff there in the case, it looks like there is ridges that I could possibly put dividers, but the dividers are not included in this. So yeah, and it is a kind of tight fit, so it may, I don't know, is it that hard to take them out? Oh, this, it's not that bad to take them out, but this is much smaller than this, so it does take up less. Ooh, I think the lid's broken. Oh well, the lid's broken. As long as it still closes. Will it close? Does this snap? Okay, the lid's broken. Yeah, it closes. It's just the lid's a little bit broken, but I'll probably complain or something and see if I can get a discount. But yeah, the lid didn't make it, but I figured I liked this better because it takes up less real estate than this one with the case. And I mean, this is great if I was going to go like diamond paint somewhere else, but I tend to just diamond paint in my house, so that's why I've been reluctant to get these ones in the bags, because one, you can't see through it. So if I were to, because I normally would put like the picture of what I'm working on inside of here, and then you would just see it through the clear container. So that's why I wanted to try this one with the clear container, because I figured it would take up less space. But yeah, no, this is broken. But this one was less expensive, so let me see. Let me pull that up. Yeah, so this one cost $14.65. It was free shipping at the time, and I guess with tax I paid $15.97. So I'm not sure if you could see that on screen. But yeah, so this is much cheaper than the bag ones, but these ones survived the shipping, at least, I hope. Let me see. Will I be able to see if anything's broken at the bottom? Is it gonna fall off? Is it gonna fall out? If I put it upside down? Ah, actually, look, it didn't fall out when I put it upside down. So nothing looks broken in this one. So this one is, if you are going to be transporting your drills, it would probably be more secure in this bag container. But personally, if this hadn't broken, I would have probably preferred these ones just because of the less real estate it takes and the fact that the case is clear. Although, yeah, so none of, let me see, with the lid being broken, does anything here look broken? No, it looks it looks all okay. So yeah, this one, it is a little tight fitting, but it costs $15.97. What was it, or $14.97? So yeah, here is some equivalents. I'm gonna see if I could get a discount because of the brokenness. But yeah, here are my two new storage containers. I got these primarily because most of my other storage containers can't hold that many colors or that many drills, so I'm hoping to use these for my bigger ones. I do know these don't hold that many, so, and then these ones, I know people do put extras in here, but I'm hoping the bigger bottle will offset. Although the bottles are not the best quality, I'm hoping the bigger bottle will offset, better quality, like in opaqueness of, I don't know if you could tell, there's like weird patterns in the plastic. But yeah, I'm hoping the bigger bottles will offset, will be able to fit more, and I won't have to have multiple bottles or have to keep my spares into this pocket. But yeah, I haven't tried these yet, so I don't know if I'm gonna like them, but we'll see. All right, thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.